For a long time, using AI to make music felt a bit like playing a slot machine. You typed in words, pulled the lever, and just hoped you got lucky. But Mureka AI is trying to change that completely. They just released a huge update, the new O2 and V7.6 models, and the whole point is to stop guessing and start controlling. They want to help you make actual songs, not just random noises. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through what Mureka actually is, what these new engines do, and how they perform in real use with live tests. And stick around, because I have a massive launch gift to let you try these models for free. I'll drop the details on how to claim that at the end of the video. Let's start with a quick overview of the platform itself. Mureka is an AI music creation tool that can generate full songs from text prompts. It's used by creators, musicians, and developers who need quick, usable music without needing a full studio setup. The interface is simple. You can choose between easy mode for quick ideas or custom mode for full control. You can write your own lyrics, describe a style, choose a vocal gender, or keep it fully instrumental. Now let's talk about the new update. Mureka has introduced two upgraded models, O2, which is the flagship engine, and V7.6, which is designed for efficiency. They are built for different needs. First, there is V7.6. Think of this as your producer. It costs 1 credit per song. It is built for speed and stability, still pro music, with finer prompt control. Here's the official demo for the 7.6 version.
He stepped in the room like a king with a crown, talking like the world gon' burn if he frowns. Mirror in his hand, kissing his face, stealing all the spotlight, leaving no trace. And I'm the best, I'm the fire.
That sounds great. If you just need a clean, high-quality beat for a video or a podcast, and you need it right now, this is the one you use. Second, there is O2. This is the higher-end model. It costs 2 credits per song. This is your all-in-one smart music studio, and it's the best model for professional results. Here's the official demo for the O2 model.
Seasons change and years slip by. I find the winds of time draw nigh. Dear daughter, son.
You notice the difference right away in how it handles progression. The structure feels more intentional versus lead into choruses, and the emotional movement feels more natural. Keep in mind that with Mureka AI, you can also create a personalized model that fits your musical taste and requirements as well. Now let's put them to the test, starting with the flagship O2. The biggest claim here is that O2 understands long-range structure. So, I'm going to give it a prompt that forces it to move between different energy levels. Let's listen to what it gave us. Now, let's try the O2 model in easy mode. The new update has brought the dice option to easy mode as well. This is great if you have writer's block. You just click the dice, and it generates a fresh song idea for you. I like this one. Let's just hit create and see what comes up.
The asphalt cracks beneath my feet, a symphony of silent heat, flickering
Okay, it is pretty good as a standalone song, but we did ask for a female singer, and even though the system seems to have processed it correctly, somehow we have got male vocals in our song. Now let's try the V7.6 model. This time, I'm going to use custom mode because I want to test specific lyrics. I'm pasting these in. For the style, I will type LoFi Hip Hop with jazz guitar, cafe vibes. I'll select male vocals. Here we go. I hit create, but the AI has identified that the pasted lyrics are too short for a full song and asked me to optimize. And here we go. It has generated lyrics for a whole full song based on my set of lyrics. Let's use these lyrics for our song. That really was quite fast. Let's check the result.
Coffee steaming, quiet sun. Soft lights paint the room around. Pages turning gentle glow. Let the rhythm take me slow. Whispers of the evening breeze.
That is great. A perfect laid-back chill hip-hop. Not much of jazz guitar here, but a great song anyway with realistic vocals. So which model should you choose? If you are in a rush and need a clean beat for a video, use V7.6 in easy mode. It's fast, and it works. If you have a specific vision and you need to control the genre and the structure, use O2 in custom mode. It's great to see a tool that lets you choose between fast and simple or deep and controlled. And hey, I'm giving away 50 credit packs so you can try both modes yourself. The link is right down below in the description. Go test it out, and if you like more breakdowns on AI music tools, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you in the next one.